Hey guys, what's going on? My name is Darrell Addison. I'm the founder and inventor of a growing concept called Torpedopot. These are my okra plants. I've got about 5 planters that are growing 400 okra. I've harvested so much now and I'm kind of like sick of okra, but I still love it. And so what I'm doing today, these are self-growing planters, guys. They grow your food with no human intervention. So they can grow 400 okra in just about 7, 8 feet, 10 feet. And it's just growing so beautifully. They won't stop growing. One okra plant is generating at least minimum of 12 okra. And so I'll know that in this one planter, I may get about 140 okras. And then I have 5 planters. I don't water these plants. I don't feed these plants. I only supplement the soil. The life of the soil, we use the biotics in the soil to grow your food. So you don't have to grow your food anymore. All you do is walk up and drop your seeds and your plants in the planter and you watch it grow. I bet you none of you have ever seen this before, have you? This is my okra. I eat this every day, guys. And it is like nothing you've ever tasted before in your life. And guess what? It's completely organic. No synthetic stuff in my food. Guys, these are Torpedopots. They grow your food with no human intervention. Now, what I'm going to do now, I've already harvested a lot of okra. It comes so quickly, okay? So you'll see the okra plant as it starts to develop. As you can see, ours is growing, oh my gosh, 7 feet tall right now. 7 feet tall okra. And one plant is generating 12 okra. Dude, I've never seen, and it's still growing. It's more than 12, but who's counting anymore, right? Who cares? It grows food. So these self-growing planters that you see, it's even growing this beautiful, beautiful spinach. All I do is come and I turn the knobs on this planter. It waters my food for me. It feeds my spinach, it feeds my okra, it feeds my tomatoes for me. I don't have to do anything anymore. All I do is put my seed in, I put my plants in, I supplement my soil with an organic supplement that we provide. And you're gonna see things grow you've never seen before in your life. Will you look how beautiful this is? Unbelievable. How natural that is. That's beautiful food. So, I've got to pick some okra today, okay? So, bear with me. I brought my handy dandy clippers. And we're going to start harvesting. Now, always keep yourself a good pair of shears. There's nothing like a nice clean cut when you cut a plant across. Nice clean cut. So it's evenly dispersed. It's not sticking up and down so plants can deteriorate and decay in an environment you really don't want it to happen. So cut it right where it needs to be cut, make it a nice clean cut. Get yourself a good pair of shears. Get ones that you can handle, you feel comfortable with. They're the best ones. But I'm gonna go and pick me some okra this morning. Now, my last harvest was 2 days ago, probably 1 day, 1.5 a day. And I picked, I think we picked like 32 a day and a half ago. And so every 2 days, I've got stuff coming and coming and coming and coming. I got food going. And it's growing all over the place. So I'm going to start harvesting because there's a lot I can say about this, but let's start picking this okra off and it makes sense. Now, I want to pick the most tender. The longer the okra grows, the more that it starts to turn from a rice green, soft outer covering to a more woody covering. So get it while it's young and tender. I get it this young. This is about the youngest I get it, but I like it for about 4 to 5 inches, and I pull them off and I use them. But man, they're delicious. These Torpedopots grow delicious food, guys. You're gonna have a good time. Excellent. I would make it a habit to come pick your okra every other day. Because they can take off and grow like you've never seen before. Just more for something. I like the torpedo pot because if I can't see an area, all I have to do is turn my pot around. So it's a mobile growing system. It grows your plants. When you throw your seeds in there and this okra starts to grow and to develop, if I can't get to it, all I do is turn it around. My self-growing planter grows my plant, so even if I want to turn around to change the sunlight or some of that nature in a planter, you can do that. Just turn it in any direction you want. See stuff in there, I'm trying to get to it. So one more in there. Ah, there you go. It's so hard to get to the okra sometimes. Right in front of my eyes. Oh my gosh. You have to forgive me. I got lost in my okra field. Guys, this is my okra field. These are okra plants. And they grow my okra. And they grow lots of it. And they're called torpedo pots. Well, all I do is drop my seeds in. Yeah, we started to eat some seeds. These seeds cost us pennies on the dollar. And right now, I'm growing 400 okra from just pennies on the dollar. Can you believe that? It's amazing. Torpedo pot. I missed one I said already. Oh my gosh, how did I miss that one? Now it's your turn. Can't believe I see more okra in there. I overlooked it. Okay. I'm gonna tell you something. This is amazing. I want you to see the choice okra that we're getting from these planters. Look how beautiful that is. Guys, what you see behind me are torpedopots. These are self-growing planters. My okra is growing 7 feet tall, and it's still growing. And it's gonna give me over 400 okra. I've already picked like about, 200 already. And I've got a lot more to account for. And so this is what my okra looks like right now. Isn't that beautiful? Not one has a flaw or a blemish on it. This is Torpedopot. Torpedopot grows your food when nothing else does. All you do is that you put your seeds in the planters behind me, or plants in a planter, and they grow your food for you. You don't have to worry about growing your food anymore. It is so easy. You cannot fail at this. This is so easy. And in turn, you get food. Take a look at that. That's beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. By allowing Torpedopot to grow your food organically, okra organically, you get food that you've never seen before in your life. Torpedopot grows your food for you. Throw your seeds in, throw your plants in. We provide all of the organic supplementation, only 1 bag, 2 tablespoons, 3 tablespoons, to balance your soil, because some of your soils are very deficient. A lot of chemicals are in our soil, a lot of industrial waste are in our soil. We need all that stuff cleaned out so we can get you where you need to be at. A 7-foot tall okra plant and 5 planters to grow over 400 okra. I'm having a ball, and you will too. I'm having a ball and investing so that you now could grow food like you've never grown before. I love it. Talk to you guys later. Darryl Addison, Torpedopot.com, where we grow food without any blemishes. No blemishes. No matter how you cut it, no blemishes. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful food. Like nothing you've ever seen before in your life. Isn't that beautiful? That is so beautiful. Darryl Addison, Torpedopot.com. Talk to you guys later. Bye-bye.